In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your Bluetooth version in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon of Start, and then you need to go to Device Manager. And of course Device Manager has been successfully displayed here, but we are interested in to check options for Bluetooth. We need to click on the arrow on the left side of Bluetooth. But we are interested in to check here the Bluetooth with wireless included in the name. So I click right mouse button here on Intel Air Wireless Bluetooth, and then I go to Properties. Now we need to go to Advanced tab, and here you have something like Firmware. It is a special code that will let you to know which version of Bluetooth you have. So now I encourage you to check a link in the description of this video where you can find more information about versions, but I included some versions on Notepad, so let's check how it works. So for example, I have here code 8.256, which means that my Bluetooth version is 4.2, so this is my version. And here we have other codes. You can use them to check your version of Bluetooth. Let me know what is yours, include it in the description of this video. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.